really don't need this. Not now. I only got another year before graduating. This sucks.
Dad's gonna be mad.
Listen, guys, I've been thinking, maybe we don't have to tell anybody after all.
Come on, Tom, how can we not?
We just don't.
Yeah. Maybe we could say that she got a phone call and bolted.
To where?
We don't have to know that. It's none of our business. All we have to know is that she left.
Yeah, that's what we'll say.
Hold it. When Dad comes home, he's gonna want to know where she went, and I'm not lying to Dad.
Well, just tell him that she left. It's not really a lie.
Yeah, no one will ever know. Besides, everyone in our family thought she was a pill.
Okay. Let's say she left. What are we gonna do with the body? Bodies aren't the easiest things to hide, you know.
Yeah, he's right. Don't you ever watch the news? Bodies are always popping up, no matter how well they're hidden.
Yeah, but you're talking about whole bodies.
Of course I'm talking about whole bodies. What other kind of bodies are there?
I have a plan.
I don't think it'll work. It's too small for a body to go through.
Maybe it wasn't such a good idea after all.
No, it could work. We just have to make a few alterations.
You know, Aunt Tess is right. Once you start working with the meat, it isn't all that bad.
Oh, wait a minute. This isn't gonna work. She's too soft. You can only run hard things through this.
Who said so?
It'll gum up the blades, and if we break it, we're sunk.
Hey, no problem. I have an idea.
You know, it's too bad we don't have one of those big freezer units like Susie's parents do. They just got it, and Susie's mom loves it. They could fit 3 whole bodies in theirs if they wanted to. There isn't a whole lot of room in here.
Oh, there's plenty. Just sort of shove it all in there. Don't bother being mean.
You know, I sure do wish that Susie could see this. She's always telling me about how all the weird stuff that happens to her family and saying that my family is so boring. Boy, would she be surprised.
Whatever you do, don't tell her.
Oh, that's all we need to have Susie Richards find out. She's the biggest blabbermouth in the school.
I won't tell her. I'm not like an airhead, you know. John, this accident, it doesn't mean that we're gonna start killing people everywhere, does does it? You know, like that guy at the Burger Palace that was mowing everybody down with his machine gun.
Of course not.
Yeah, that guy was nuts. We're just ordinary kids.
Oh, okay. You sure this is gonna work?
It should. Just give it a few hours. I know she gets as hard as a rock.